In this video, I will show you how you can adjust the touch sensitivity of the screen of your iPad. Now to adjust the touch sensitivity of the screen of your iPad, first of all, just go to Settings. Now under Settings, just tap on Accessibility. Under the Accessibility settings, just tap on Touch. And from here, just select Touch Accommodations. Now first of all, you have the option for hold duration. Now if you enable this toggle, you will be able to customize how long you need to press the screen until your touch is recognized. As you can see, it is currently on 0.10 seconds, but you can increase it if you want to increase the touch duration. After that, you have the option for ignore repeat. And after you enable this toggle, you will be able to customize how quickly repeated touches are recognized. As you can see, it is currently on 0.1 seconds, but you can increase it from here. And finally, you have the option for tap assistance. With tap assistance, you can provide additional support in recognizing your taps and touches, especially if you have difficulty doing precise tapping. As you can see, it is currently off, but you can either use initial touch location or use final touch location, just like that. And this is how you can adjust your iPad's touch sensitivity. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.